Hi, this is the market outlook for the week starting May the 20th. Last week was down and up again. It bounced off the resilience level on the low 2800, 2810. Incidentally, as you can see, it's not exactly random. It's quite common to see that also testing previous highs, which we can see in Feb, March, and here support was in this area, actually probably around 2790. So at this point, we may have a trading range, probably going to test the 2890, 2900, and if that breaks, then it could actually go and aim at all-time highs again. So this hesitation around this level may be actually quite good for current trades. And of course, if any news gives sellers a little bit more courage, some impetus, then it could test 2810 again. And we're not out of the woods, because then the market could actually go, and you can see this selling level, which is the first fib, is also here visible on the 8th of March. So then it could drop. So if we have a second wave, and I'm not going to mention Elliott because that's a complicated and generally pretty much useless indicator, but now we would then fall to the 27-25 area. There may be some fib target along the way. If I plot maybe this one, there could be 2740, and incidentally you see that the second target would be the second fib here. So all this make a bit of sense. So we could, if the market fails to pass 2900 soon, maybe this week, a second wave of selling could start by midweek. We will see whether any news can actually trigger that wave of selling. If we look at the short-term trend is actually down with a support around 2850, and as you can see here, the 2810 is shown as an intraday very strong support, and basically we've been hovering in this lower half of the range up to 2890, 20, maybe 2900. So this could be the trading range for the next few days, and again this confirms that if this level breaks, it will probably then move to the higher half, 2890, to all-time highs, or actually a little bit higher than all-time highs. The next very strong resistance will be on 2970. So the picture is not difficult this week, and we should have some trading range, maybe with a shift to the upper range or breaking this support. Now let's go to the Russell quickly. The Russell has been in a strange situation, hovering above this resistance level, which is quite unusual. I still think the 1500 needs to be tested to probably bounce off, considering that the all-time highs are actually a little bit higher, around 1720, 1740. So we could, I mean, of course, it is somehow correlated to the SPX. However, if this breaks, this could be a large wave of selling, because this is not common to see the market hovering above a resistance. And the short-term trend here is similar in a way, that we have also a pivot level around 1560, and it looks like it may be testing the lower half, maybe these lows on 1520, and maybe a bit lower to 1500, which is that selling level we just saw on the daily chart. So, and there could be another reversal, and if you like SPX, if it passes this strong resistance area, it could then shoot up to test the 1600 all the way to 1625. So maybe a little bit more bearishness on the Russell than on SPX. Finally, a quick look at the economic calendar for the week. Not much today, nothing really tomorrow. The FOMC meeting minutes could actually unsettle the market, so probably range trading, as I said, for the next 2 days, and probably more action later in the week. Right, that's it for now. The next video will be on our current trade.